This is a tubeless tire on a rim meant for tube tires. Hey people, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me quickly show you how it is done successfully. Exactly a month ago I bought a pair of tires of the same brand and the same tire code. The only difference was that this is the tubeless version of the same tire. You may check the user manual for your motorcycle's tire code. This is how a tubeless tire looks from inside. There is nothing but a tire shell, totally hollow from inside. In order to get it working on my rim, I need these valves. These are not regular tubeless rim valves, these are different. Meant to be mounted on a tube rim, it has a one-way air valve at the bottom, two rubber washers to seal the air passage from both sides, nut to hold everything in place, and a dust cap. At first, the old tire needs to be removed from the rim. I did not understand why he used that machine, as in the end he got back to the traditional method of removing tires using the tools that scratched my rim. Well, at first the tube needs to be removed and then the tire. Cleaning is important as the edges need to be clean in order to trap the pressure inside. Okay, now this is the magic valve that contributed in converting this tube rim into a tubeless one. The rim will hold the one-way air valve between the two rubber washers, and that is how the air will be trapped. One metal washer to evenly distribute the nut pressure on the rubber washer, and finally the nut to hold everything in place. The nut needs to be fastened properly so that the air cannot escape from the passage by any means. Now this rim is converted into a tubeless one and is ready for the assembly. There is a problem with the puncture gentlemen around the country, as they do not handle your machine properly. Again, this Hyderabad gentleman malhandled my rim, that too in front of me, which led to few scratches and a bit of damaged decals. I requested him to handle it properly as I do not want scratches, but I got a response like that, "चलता है ना साहब, कुछ नहीं होता, पहिया फिरेगा तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा." Well, after this video you have enough knowledge to do it yourself if you want to avoid this experience. Well, now it's time to inflate the tire and check for leaks, and bingo, it's ready. Okay, now this is the old tire which is 30,000 km used and 4 years old. Let me show you why I changed it. See the profile of the tire. It is almost flat. It should be round here. In 4 years this tire profile veered off. You may notice the difference by comparing these two. The roundness has totally gone, and that's when you need to change the tire, as the motorcycle with a flat veered off tire profile will wobble at the corners at high speed. Also, there are risks of skidding off, which may lead to broken bones. If your tire looks like this, change it before it's too late. Cool. So I have been using this for a month now, and it is indeed a successful conversion. Today I also took it for off-roading in a hill nearby. This climbed the hill like a beauty with a good grip, as my motorcycle is light in weight. This is a tubeless tire on a tube rim, and this is the magic valve. Hope you liked the information. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel to support me. Thanks for watching.